Bitcoin hit a new ATH again, and your next move determines a 3-month pass. In this video, we analyze Bitcoin Twitter, find new long triggers, and my suggestion for exciting positions, whether futures or spot. So let's first start with the daily time frame. Well, after hitting this candle and having a long squeeze happen, then rested for 2 days, it dropped more and reached the important daily support level. I'm sure many of you here get hopeless and close your positions. A good point that might help you not close so quickly after such a fast move is to set your stop losses where the trend completely changes. Now on the daily time frame, the trend is completely bullish, right? Higher ceiling and floor, increasing the volume, and the support hasn't broken. If diagnosing the trend is still hard for you, you can make the time frame larger, for example weekly time frame. In that way, it's obvious we have no trend weakness or lower ceiling and floor. Well, let's go further. After a few candle daily time frame, after a few candle, we reversed the whole uptrend upward move and broke the resistance at this level. And the candle is a complete breakout candle. I mean, minimal shadows, decent body, and high volume. This way, we could open the lines on lower time frames with the trigger we gave a week ago, at right after breaking this resistance, 4-hour time frame. And let's go a bit further to the 4-hour time frame. The moves after that daily candle were public, as you can see. And if you didn't have a position, it would be hard to join. I completely understand you. So after 8% growth, we reached the previous ATH. Personally, I didn't expect a breakout on Sunday because volume is usually lower when markets are closed. But well, in financial markets, nothing is certain, and the probability of everything exists, which is why money management and stop loss placement here comes handy and save our ass. Long story short, with this candle, we broke our stance at hit ATH. Excellent volume, good candle, everything good. But now let's first talk about scenarios, then long short triggers, and at the end suggestions for your stacking positions. The first scenario is that after a few rest candles, we start growing again. The second scenario is that we fake the break of the resistance and go back to the range phase we had before on daily time frame, right here. But I myself think the first scenario is more likely because after a strong uptrend momentum we have now, plus even though the rate news wasn't that good, plus geopolitics risks were high, and some exchanges like Binance were creating a selling pressure. With all this, we had such a trend, right? So it can be trusted a bit. So my long position trigger is a break of this resistance on a 1-hour time frame. Note that we open positions on the ATH break. So if it's your first position, it's better to set a larger stop loss because there is volatility. Plus, for shorts, nothing now, right? We opened the short positions a week ago, and we captured, I guess, 3 risk ratio or whatever. But now we have nothing. I mean, with high wave cycle, medium wave cycle, and low wave cycle are all out from now, This can bring an amazing momentum to the market. So if your account is on profit, just don't touch it and don't open any short position here. Now let's talk about my suggestion for your positions. If you open the position at lower levels, right, like here, this candle, and your account is in profit, I suggest you don't take profits, because breaking this level is equal the end target is 130k in maybe a week. And plus high cycle, medium wave cycle, and low cycle, as I said, are all uptrend now, and this can bring an amazing momentum to the market. If your account is not in profit, I suggest you close a bit, not all positions. You can use partial profit that I explained in my videos before. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for being with me until the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, don't forget, and peace out.